groceries are here. Welcome back to my channel. I am all dressed. It's almost 8 a.m. and I am about to go on a little morning walk. Look who is here. I thought I'll give you an OOTD. Sweatshirt is from Ami, and then I'm wearing this set from Danola, and then the pants are like these yoga pants. Yeah. It's so cold. This is really relaxing. I will never understand how people eat slowly. I just love As you can see, I'm having my lunch and I am full of stuff. In my kitchen, because all of my kitchen appliances just got here. So I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of what I got. I will link everything down below. Got everything from Harrods. Yay! Let me finish lunch first though. I got this salad and they were really stingy with the sauce, like with the dressing. And I feel like that's what makes a salad good. Let's start with these. I got these tall ones and then I got these short ones. Whoa. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too sure what you use this for. I'll find out, but this is another adult thing that I own now. I guess we're going on the theme of alcohol, so I got this cocktail shaker. Haha, I'm gonna be a barista now. Next, I got Le Creuset stoneware. I got some baking trays. I used to make a lot of banana bread when I was in high school because I was stressed all the time, so baking was a way for me to de-stress. And I think I have been missing that the past 3 years that I've been in London where I haven't been able to bake. So, baking trays. I got a muffin tray. You're gonna be like, what is going on? I got a pizza stone. Yep, got a pizza stone. We have some placemats. Oh my god, guys. Hello. Look at how cute these are. Next exciting item that I got these really cute candle holders. They're gonna look amazing on the dinner table. Salt and pepper thingy. Wait, it came with salt and pepper? Are you kidding me? Whoa, that's cool. And we have some organizational stuff. This is from Joseph. I love Joseph. I have been in love with smoothies, so I thought I would invest in a blender and make my own smoothies. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I feel like a mom. Toaster. I got the Le Creuset 3-piece cookware set. Guys, I'm finally cooking. I got this really cute mini version of the Le Creuset cast iron. This is really famous and I'm gonna make a lot of stews using this. I also got this really mini one because I want to start making baked eggs for breakfast and I think this is just perfect for it. Like, look at how cute this is. And then I got the big version in this white color. I will be keeping all of the little booklets just so that I know exactly how to take care of each stuff. All of these pieces are investment pieces. They're really good quality and I intend on keeping them for a lifetime. I moved out by myself, like out of my parents' house 3 years ago, like when I moved to London, but I've always lived in a student accommodation or sharing a flat with someone else. So I've never really invested in good quality kitchenware. And for me, I think now that I live in my own flat, although I don't own the flat, I still wanted to invest in good pieces that I can, you know, take with me if I ever do move homes. Yes, it will be more complicated, but I think it'll be more worth it for me to get like investment pieces now rather than getting stuff from Amazon and then throwing them away within a year. So yeah. Oh my god. Well, that was a really nice workout. I just came back. I didn't get everything that I need, but I got the priorities and then the rest I'll just get probably online. Cause yeah, I got a lot of chicken and I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Then I got baked beans, lemons, tomatoes, avocado, cherry tomatoes, blueberries, grapes, gluten-free bread because I don't want to bloat. I'm gonna try this out and see if it actually works. Garlic, spinach, cucumbers, ginger, and cabbage. I got this balsamic dressing. I'm now just on Deliveroo. I am gonna get some grocery online, some Chinese, like Asian supermarket online grocery, because I can't be asked to go outside. Groceries are here. This is only one part because they sent it in two parts. Beef rolls, I put them in the freezer. They're super quick to cook. If you're lazy, get this. Lobster bowls, we have some beef bowls, so good. We have some fish bowls, fish tofu. We have some tofu here. And we also have konjac noodles, and these are really good as well. Basically, I just like would boil some water, put this mix in, and just throw everything in. And that's it, that's dinner done. Like, it's so easy and it's so delicious. Some glass noodles and some egg noodles. I love noodles. What else? Oh, I also got some chili. I'm putting the tofu in the fridge. But this is the fridge. Fruits, fresh veggies. Oh, I got a lot of mushrooms. These are perfect also for my Odin bowl situation. Got some cabbage because I love cabbage. Oh fuck. No, this is lettuce? No, this is I don't know. Mushrooms. Got cilantro because I love cilantro. And that's the fridge. I have some work to do now. I have to film some content, but after I'm done with that, I will cook the first meal in this kitchen. To be completely honest with you, I'm not sure what I'm doing. This is supposed to be easy, but it's okay. Please don't judge me in the comments. Oh my god, it's not that bad, you know. The Odin seasoning saved the whole thing. Oh my god! Let me give it a taste. 好吃？好吃吗？好吃，对吧？我只记得哎，很好吃。 breakfast. I uploaded a video just now. So I filmed it to check it with me. I filmed it 3 times, and today I filmed it and edited it within an hour and uploaded it. That was the quickest upload ever. Not sure how I feel about it, but I'm gonna just stop thinking about it. I already uploaded it and it's, yeah. How to deal with self-doubt. Stop thinking. But I made a quick meal because I need to run to Soho House. I have a meeting with my manager. Yeah, I poured too much beans. I have a party tonight, but I don't really want to go. Since I am single and I complain about being single all the time, I feel like I need to do something about it. And the only thing I can do is to go out and meet people and socialize. But then whenever I do go out, I don't really socialize with people because it's not like I don't like it, it's just I find it really hard. And I just end up being disappointed when I go home if I don't meet anyone special, you know? So I look at the one that can happen again, but once again, I need to get myself out there. But, you know. Before I leave, let's do a little PR unboxing. First, I have something from Chanel. This is from Chanel's Fall Winter 2023 collection. Whoa! I am in love with these. What the heck? Ah, little Chanel logo on the side. How cute is that? Next, we have from Acne Studios. Oh, the cutest little card. Does it go with my outfit today? Oh, it kind of does. Does it? Next, I have something from Zadig & Voltaire. First, we have this bag. It's really cool girl vibes. And then I also got this leather shirt. Yay!